Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We start on the larger time frame and we use the Elliott wave method to take a look at the chart, which is a sentiment-based analysis method. We get roadmaps by using this map method. We get key support levels, invalidation points, actionable levels or levels that traders can use to make decisions. Now, of course, how you use them depends on your own risk profile. This is really just chart analysis, no financial advice, but it gives you a good idea of the current trend and the possible next resistance levels. And also, I will tell you where I will see the price next and when I will change my perspective, because with every analysis, there's not only opportunity, but also risk. So there are certain levels, if they are broken, we have to change our perspective. Now, looking at the yellow scenario here, this is one scenario in which the price should form one more high. And this is currently expected anyway. And the main question is, afterwards, when we have that one more high, do we get another higher low in this blue wave 4 and another higher high in this blue wave 5? Or is this move up here going to be the entire rally? Because the entire move up constitutes already a 5-wave pattern. And after 5 waves, we normally expect a major top or a larger correction, which means the risk is high on the macro level. That doesn't mean we're bearish. No, I'm actually still bullish. But any high could be the last one. We would need more data to have a clearer idea of what is coming, going forward. But for now, I'm still watching for the price to go higher, possibly even double itself. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But overall, bigger picture, the yellow scenario shows already 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 was a triangle, which happens frequently, and wave 5. Okay, so this is already a pretty much complete looking wave count. Okay, ideally wave 5 moves a bit higher. Absolutely, that's possible. So there isn't necessarily a maximum. At some point we have to say, okay, it might be something different if it goes too high. But for now, all we do is we're tracking higher prices. We are shifting support areas higher with the price. So we can say that when the price reaches a new high, okay, what is the latest support area? What is the level the price can fall back to still keep the bullish scenario alive? And for now, I'm tracking the yellow scenario primarily, because it gives us just very clear levels on the smaller time frame. Expectations are for a breakout above the all-time high, which is at around $3.30. If that happens, the market should move quite quickly to $4.19, ideally. $5 would be ideal as well. And maybe $6.61. These are the next upside targets to watch. Now let's move to the smaller time frame. Here on the smaller time frame chart, you can see that the triangle, that's an internal triangle, likely completed on the 13th of January. We talked about that. The breakout was expected to the upside. It happened. And the market moved up quite impulsively, reached the all-time high, but couldn't break above it. And since then, since last week, the market has now been consolidating just sideways without clear breakout to the upside, or without signal that it wants to break out directly to the upside. However, we're holding above a support area. This is the nearest area of support we can watch, between $2.52 and $2.94. You can see that these levels are respected. We talked about them in previous videos. The price already reacted to the $2.81 level, the 50% retracement, and all of these are relevant for the corrective pullback. So we have an impulsive looking rally, which we're labeling as wave 1. The pullback is wave 2, a higher low. And based on that, because this is a higher low, upside continuation is expected. Again, to $4.19, $5 next. Surely the market might form one more low here. That's absolutely, if we divide this scenario into 2 further, let's say smaller scenarios, we can say in one of them the low is already in, but to confirm that I need a breakout above $3.30, $3.40. Until then, one more low, at least we have to consider it, prepare for it mentally. But ultimately, we are watching for higher prices against $2.52. At the moment, on the very small time frame, this here might be a triangle, but that is a pattern of indecision. So we have to watch the previous swing high from mid-January as an upside breakout signal. Below $2.52, I might have to change my opinion. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.